Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. This video I'd like to upgrade our Outlander battery upgrade version 2. In my previous video, I showed you guys that we used the 3D print block to fit the EV58 ampere and to make the similar size as the LEV40. In previous, we used this block. One battery cell, we need 4 pieces of this block. And they have customer to feedback that for this block, because 4 pieces, it is a little bit complicated when they to upgrade. So in this situation, we made a new upgrade. That is to make these 3D print blocks. Yes, for this upgrade, firstly, each of battery cell, it only need 2 pieces. It no need 4 pieces. And the second is we did this step here. The step here is to lift the battery cell up and to make the same height as the LEV40. Yes, so this is our new design and it is more easy when you to make your battery upgrade. And we will laser welding the M8 starter here to make the battery cell as the same height, same thickness, same length as the original of LEV40. Yes, like this way, you can see the details of it, which is more easy for you guys to upgrade the Outlander PHEV battery. So how about you guys think of the new upgrade of the 3D print blocks? Leave us your message. And if you have different thoughts about the design, you can send us your inquiry for us. We can customize the different design of battery cells, blocks, or the components. And this is Anya. See you next video. Bye bye.